Hi, my name is Yekai and
My name is Timothy. We are presenting
a story. He is Dogman. Once upon a time, there was a dog. Dog name was Dogman. Dogman was a police officer. He wanted to catch Petey the cat. Dogman got Petey the cat and put him in the jail.
But Petey the cat made a big robot and he escaped. He was destroying the town and Dogman jumped on the police
and reached the town.
Dogman
shot out the laser and the robot went back to cat jail. Now the town was safe. Conclusion. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.